Lots of people are now working from home, or hybrid working part of the week in the company offices and part of the week from home. Many individuals with autism have said how working from home has been really beneficial because they've been able to work from an environment totally suited to their individual needs. They haven't had to worry about working in busy environments or interacting with lots of people during the day, meaning that they can focus all of their energy on the job they are doing. They've also said that they haven't had all the challenges that they may face when commuting to work or taking public transport. So working from home means that they have been a lot more productive and that they can work to a much higher standard and produce that work in a quicker time frame. However, many individuals with autism have said how working from home has been challenging because they need that daily routine of going into the office every day. So work with each individual to come up with the best environment for them to work in. And by doing so, you will reap the benefits because that individual will be a lot more productive.